Assalamu alaikum. Warm good morning to everyone. How are you? Hope you all are good, well, healthy, inshallah. So, welcome back to our computer class. Our lesson is 5 MS Paint, Draw and Color. So, we will continue the lesson. So, previous, the last sentence is like 5, then continue. Pull or push the curve to change shapes of curve. So after that, sixth one point is release the mouse button when the desired shape of curve is drawn. See, here is the working area, which one you want to do something drawing. Okay, so you already took the curve line, so just you hold the mouse in your hand and try to draw which shape you want, then you release the mouse, you will get the correct shape. Okay, see here, polygon tool also. Before I also told you we are using shapes, so every time we have to going the home tab. Like polygon is closed figure having 3 or more sides. To draw polygon, follow the given steps. Click the home tab, click the polygon form tool group, select the outline color from color group. Move the mouse pointer to the working area, click and drag to draw the first line where you want to start polygon. Release the mouse button. Click at the point where you want to draw and next line segment. Repeat step 6 until you complete the polygon. Double click to end drawing. See, please do the practical, then you will understand the process already given step by step. If you not understand this how means slowly read one line read, then you will just do the practical. After that, use the second line, again and again read. It is so easy for you. Drawing is so interested, drawing is so good in computer, we are using this drawing for making the beautiful designs, making everything in beautiful. Okay, so see here, which shape you want you can draw and release the mouse. Polygon, drawing triangle. See here, next page, fill with color tool. Before you are using that lines and color and filling the, also fill with the color tool. The fill with the color tool is used to fill a color in a closed figure. Closed figure means, see here the picture, nothing is open like standing line, slipping line, curve line. No, it's total closed. Start like heart is closed, rectangle is closed. Click the home tab. Using various tools, draw any closed figure. Select the fill with color from the tool group. Select the color from color group to be filled inside the figure by clicking on the color. Click the left mouse button inside the figure and selected color get fill. See here, ribbon we cannot change. See here only the shapes, here only the colors, here line, and here is the all tools which one which tool you want, you can select from this, and you change this outline. You can see yellow here inside and black. If you want this, you don't want black, you want another color, choose here. And here for rectangle also you want to the change the color. Please do the practical. When you choose the shape, choose also line color, then it will be coming. See, next, text tool. We fill here. After that, fill with color means after that this close shapes we are choosing the fill with color here, and after that we choosing color and filling here. So the color is not going outside the lines. That's why it is called closed figure. Come to the here next, text tool. Please read every day. You should little you should read, then you will able to understand. And please do the practical, easy and very good for you. Okay, now come to the text tool. Text tool can be used to add the text to your drawing. Click the home tab, click the text tool. This is the A figure from the tool group. Move the mouse pointer to working area and press the left mouse button. Drag to make a text box on the drawing board. Take the mouse pointer to the place where you want to write something. If you select this one, the one box rectangle square shape is coming. That click again the cursor, change in I shape. Then what you want you can write. That is called the text. Pointer place you will want to something. Click the inside the text box on the screen. Type the word or sentence by using the keyboard. Please draw each and everything, and then what you will do, you will do one thing. Of when you're using the text tool, then you write your name like XYZ, drawing by XYZ. Come to this page. See here also again for just little bit revision, this is the ribbon. Okay, here is the color tools, color box. Here is the lines, here is the shape tools, here is the tools which one we are using, like text, fill with color. Here is the working area where we are drawing here. Same it, but here is the small and here we make the large. Here changing the text format means if 14 it's okay. Normally we are using 14 or 12 exact, but normally we are using for increase the size 14. Okay, that is text tool. Now come to the pencil tool. Pencil tool means you can easily, how you are writing like that you are doing. Even inshallah I will try to show you pencil tool during the online class. Okay. Pencil tool is used to draw freehand drawing. To use pencil tool, follow the given steps. Every time we are going to home tab, click the home tab, click the pencil tool from the tool groups, select color form, color groups, bring the mouse pointer to the working area, click and drag the mouse to do drawing. Release the mouse button after you have drawn the figure. Whatever you are drawing the figure, you should release the mouse. See, with the pencil we are drawing something. Click and drag a draw. Here you should bring that pencil and drag, draw here whatever you want. Okay, please do the practical. I hope you understand this class. Thank you so much. Please, 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 you try to do the practical. If you are doing practical and practice, it's really very good for you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Bye.